Do you know typing word for word can be time consuming, especially if you have a lot on your to-do list? Why don't you leverage on voice typing so that you can save your precious time for other things that matters? Welcome to Ebsol Tech, a place where I show you a roadmap to tech excellence. In this video, you will learn how to do voice typing in Google Docs. If you are ready, let's begin. To get this done, you need a Gmail account. Once you have your Gmail account signed in, click on this 9 dot icon. Once you click on the 9 dot icon, you are going to see a drop down like this. Then scroll down to locate Google Docs. This is it. Then click on Google Docs. Once you click on Google Docs, it will load. And once it's done loading, it will take you to this interface. Once you are here, click on Tools. Once you click on Tools, then scroll down and click on Voice Typing. Once you click on Voice Typing, you will see a microphone icon like this, which is now asking you to speak. I'm going to use this voice typing method to type the intro I've just given you in this video. Now, let's begin. I'm going to click on Speak. I'm going to click on Allow because I want to use my microphone. So once I click on Allow, it will start recording. Now I will start recording my voice. Do you know typing word for word can be time consuming, especially if you have a lot on your to-do list? So why don't you leverage on voice typing so that you can save your precious time for other things that matters? Welcome to Ebsol Tech, a place where I show you a roadmap to tech excellence. In this video, you will learn how to do voice typing. So click on this place and click on Cancel. This is my intro that I've just written using voice typing. As you can see how fast it is. This can save you tons of time. Instead of writing word for word, you can use this method to do anything you wanted to do. Either write your blog post, write your YouTube video description, write your intro, or anything. You can use it. It will be very fast and save you a lot of time. I'm going to do the formatting just to show you how it works. Can you see? I'm going to add punctuation where necessary. I'm going to add the full stop. I'm going to add it here. Can you see? Once I add it, it will be there. If I want to give some words emphasis, I can highlight it and make it bold. I can underline it. I can also change the text color. For instance, I want to change the text color so that people will know that this one is somehow different from others. I want to give it some contrast. Also, you can do any other thing you like. Just do the formatting the way you like. Feel free to do your formatting by using all the tools available here. Do it, format it to your taste. Once you are done, can you see it is written here on title? You can change the name to anything you like. You can rename it by clicking here. And once you rename it, you can also click on File to save it. There are so many things you can do here. You can share it with others. You can publish it to web. If you have other team members that you are doing collaboration together, you can do this by sharing it to other people. So you can also save it as PDF. You can download it. You can see there are other things you can do with it here. There are other things you can do with it. So that is how it works, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment section below any other speech to text tools you have used before. Thank you for staying tuned. See you all in my next video.